What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. So as I said in my previous video that I was going to make more rug related videos for you guys because I've been kind of MIA. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to create a box. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how I create my boxes. When I started making these rugs and I stopped just selling in LA, obviously I had to ship them out of state, anywhere. And I couldn't find a box for the dimensions of these rugs. So I had to resort to creating my own box, which isn't that difficult. It's not that hard. Now this video, you guys don't have to follow it step by step. It just gives you an idea on how to create boxes. But if you guys like the way I do my boxes, feel free, copy everything that I do, and everything will work out just fine. So I'm gonna tell you guys exactly where I got all of my material. Yeah, so let's get started. So first off, tape. Got this tape from Home Depot. Like $4. This tape is really good. The reason why I like this tape is because I like to use this tape on the edges of the outside of these boxes because I kind of don't like just showing like the raw cut edge. You guys will see what I mean. But I like using this tape. I would really recommend this tape, or I guess any other tape that you guys like. It's a really good tape as well. I got this ruler, steel ruler from Harbor Freight for about $1.50. I would really recommend you buy something just because it's about the perfect size for these boxes. Really helpful. You really need it. You need a blade, and I got this blade from Harbor Freight as well. I think it was like $1.50 as well. There's nothing wrong with using scissors, so if you guys want to use scissors, feel free. And you will need a marker, a pen, a pencil. Obviously, the obvious, it doesn't really matter. And then a box. So kind of obvious where I got this from, right? Home Depot. Now Home Depot sells different sizes. They sell extra small, medium, large, extra large, and then they sell like the heavy duty side and then the cheaper side. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. This is like the normal, not heavy duty box. I've been using these a size medium, and I feel like that size is perfect unless you guys are doing like some super huge rug or shipping something out that's really big, then buy what you have to buy. But I use a medium box. What else do I have to tell you guys? I think that's it. So now, before we get started, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. As I said this many times in the past, the more I see my subscribers go up, the more it makes me want to create videos for you guys. So I've been watching my subscribers go up even though I haven't been posting. So for those of you who have been following me even though I haven't been posting lately, big thank you. And for those who have been following me from the beginning, big thank you as well. And if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so at 95shoots. If you guys have any questions, message me there. Comment down below what videos you guys want me to do next. Okay, I think it's enough talk. So let's get started. Follow along and learn how to create a box for your rugs. So let's go, let's get started. Now, before we get started, I forgot to mention what size I'm gonna create this box. Now this box is gonna be 31.5 by 5 inches by 5 inches. So what I'm gonna do is just lay this in the bottom so that when I use the blade, I don't, scratch my floors. Obviously my floor isn't the greatest, but you still can't mess it up. So let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is find the length that you're gonna make your box. Like I said, for me, it's gonna be 31.5. I'm not gonna touch the length. I'm just gonna leave it as is. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna make it 5 inches by 5 inches. Now, what I like to do is I only like to use 2 pieces to create the box instead of 4. Obviously a box has 4 sides, but I like to use 2 sides, and I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. First, what I'm going to do is measure out 10 inches. 10 inches right there. Now what I like to do after that, line up the lines and then just trace it. But if you don't want to use your marker and create the line, obviously just use your blade. And honestly just pull it. So now I have one piece that's 10 inches. Now I'm going to create another piece that's 10 inches. Cool, so now we have 2 pieces that are 10 inches and 10 inches. So as I said, I like to create 2 pieces only to create a box, and the way I'm going to do that is simply by measuring 5 inches, which is obviously half of this, and then once I create the line, I'm going to use my blade, not cut it all the way through, just actually cut the top layer, and then I'm going to fold it, and then that's going to create an L shape, or I guess you could say a corner, and then I'm create the other corner, and then I'm going to tape both ends, and there is my box. So follow along and pay close attention. Now what I'm going to do, simply fold it, and that there created first side of the box. Now I'm going to do the same thing to that other piece, and then put them together, and I created a box, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how I tape it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is lay the 2 pieces together and then tape it down the middle. I like to use a little bit of this tape, and then I like to finish it off with this one. So now that I have it up, all I'm gonna do is bring it together, bend the edges, and you create your box. Now, all I have to do is just tape this edge, and then we'll be done. And I'll show you guys the final result. Well, we're not really quite done. We still have to create the bottom and the top, but I'll show you guys right now. And there we have our box. So there it is, it's created. Now all I'm gonna do is put this tape on this edge, obviously because you don't want this to show. You can leave it like that, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna put tape right here. So now that we have this done, all I have to create is this piece and this piece. And as I said, it's 5 inches by 5 inches, so it's not gonna be hard. I'm gonna use some of the scrap cardboard that I have to create a little box that's 5 inches by 5 inches. So let's do that, super easy. And just like that, we have these 2 pieces cut. Now we just paste it on the top and on the bottom. So all you're gonna do is just basically grab some tape and tape it down. Give me a second. And then now that I have this taped, obviously I don't like these little pieces showing, so I use some of this tape right here, and I just tape the edges. And then I do the same thing to the top. I try my best to make my boxes as secure as possible, just so they don't open up, because obviously they are created by me, and I don't want them like breaking down midway to the person's, home. So I just make sure that my boxes are properly taped up, secured, and will not open. And just like that, now the box is done. Obviously you still have to create this end, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't have anything to ship, unless one of you guys do buy one of these rugs, which is my Quasimodo rug. I still have that for sale. My filthy rug, literally called the filthy rug. And then my Boys in the Hood rug, I also have it for sale. This piece here was a test, it didn't come out great, so that's trash unless one of you guys want it. But yeah, so the box is done. Now, as I said, I do like to finish it off by taping it up with this tape here. So each edge, obviously these pieces, as you can see, they're coming off a little bit. I do use this tape just to secure it. I do put it around over here in the center and the bottom, as I already showed you guys. But that's how you create a box. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on Instagram, comment down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to create for you guys. I hope this video was helpful, and if it wasn't, I guess try something else. But at least this was able to give you just an idea on how to create a custom box for whatever reason. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys following me and subscribing. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. I would really appreciate it. Yeah, follow me on Instagram at 95shoots. Buy one of my 3 rugs that I've been having behind me for like the past 3 months, 4 months. With that being said, I guess I'm out of here. I'm done. It's hot. I'm in LA. It's like 90 degrees today. So all I know is I told you guys I was gonna make another video. So here I am. And yeah. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah, y'all.